Do you drink water while standing up or sitting down? With which hand will you pour the water? And with which hand will you drink the water? What our prayer will you recite before having your lunch? Okay, now we start our activity. Fill your glass with 1 sip water. Very good. Isha, now you completely fill your glass with water. Isha. Yasin, now you completely fill your glass with water. Okay, very good.
Yasin, stand up. Manas, stand up. Hussain, stand up. Sarjeet, stand up. Khan, stand up. Basab, stand up. Ajay, stand up.